a great choice today with the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, bed liner, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, compass, trip computer, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, panic alarm, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.